All right, we're getting ready to go up on the bell tower here in Chapel Hill. All right, see what it looks like. How you get up there? You got that little line or something up there? Oh, you got to fill the form out? So you're going up there?
You put your name in there?
Yeah. Here, you got to do your own. Like a claim in case something happens. Get out here and fill your name out, Roach, Brad. Right there. You in line?
No.
Oh. All right. Yeah, you
get that piece of paper.
Get that piece of paper and bring it over here. Oh yeah, fill this waiver out, I guess, to go up there. Yeah, that's right. That's cool. No, you keep putting it back there. All right. You gotta wait in line. Certain amount of people go there one time.
You have two in your party or just one?
There's four actually. But...
Okay. You'll hold on just a second.
All right.
Get a fourth person down. I'll take that.
Gotta wait there. Certain amount of people can't have too many people there at once. There we go. All right.
Yeah, baby, you can't take the pen, let the pen there.
There you go.
Cool. All right, going up the bell tower.
This way, right?
Uh-oh. Hey there. Woo. Oh, you go way up there? Oh! We're out here at Chapel Hill at the bell tower.
They're looking at it for sure.
See it on up there. Football field over there. No, Greg, I turn that back in when we go down. Oh, wait, go up there or what?
Yeah, if you want to, go ahead.
All right, how far you go?
A couple more floors.
Okay. Oh. You got me climbing this thing and I'm scared of heights.
Rebecca, I need you to hold at some point. Clear for up.
Yeah, this thing goes up there.
Clear for up. Can you hold? Okay, four more. All right, clear for up.
All right. Keep on going up, son.
Are you holding?
Oh my God.
Rebecca, you're holding? Okay, great. Clear for up, clear for down. Clear for
I don't like
down.
going in.
Clear for up,
I'm scared
clear
of
for
heights.
down. Ken will let me know when you get down.
So up.
Just 1 minute. Sorry.
Okay.
Hey, Sam. We're good? All right, you guys go ahead.
Oh, oh. Can view out the window here. Let's go upstairs. Going up again. Oh, how high you go? You go all the way to the top. This thing's all the way to the top. I guess. Huh? They what? Oh. I think we're up in near the top. We're near the top of the belt. Find a window here. There's the football field. There's the ground.
Write your name on there.
Yeah. It's hot. Get ready, so I ain't gonna find it. Woo, there's a hole down there. I say, well, it's hot up here. I'm getting ready to go down. There's the bookstore. People down there walking. Alright. We'll go down? Alright.